just received this bread slicer for review, and I'm coming on here to show you guys how it works. We've also got some bread here, so we're going to be testing it out. All right, so this is the surface you slice the bread on. This is something under it to catch the crumbs, but also you can put the bread in here after. And then here are the kind of pieces that you can slice between. So we're going to have to put this together. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna place the bread in the middle so I know what kind of thickness I need to put these on, because you can actually make it as thin or thick as you want to. So you basically put these in these like holes or slots, and you can make it thinner, you can make it thicker. I think we're gonna go the full length. So we just put this in. So we got one there, and then we've got another one the other side. I might put it a little bit thinner just so it gets squeezed in there. Okay, so this is our bread. We've got it in there. And as you can see, we've also got some of these. So we got different kind of cutters, different thickness. So here you can cut, I would say like maybe like 1/2 inch, and I'm not sure what the other size is, but these are more thinner. So you have the even cuts. And then we've also got these stoppers. So you can either hold the bread while you're cutting, or you can put this stopper over here and it won't move. As you can see, it's got a stopper right here and it's not going to move. So let me just get the knife. Okay, so I moved it over here so you can see the whole process. So basically we've got the stopper here, we've got the bread in here, and then we've got the edges over here. And basically all you do is you just start cutting. So I would go like down here, and then go like down here. I think I'm just doing like this. I might have done that wrong, maybe. Oh no, it's perfect. I probably should have put a stopper at the back here too. Let me do that. Perfect. Hopefully it doesn't squeeze it too much, but. All right, guys, we've got a perfectly cut bread right here. As you can see, we're gonna take out the stopper, and then I'll show you, this is how perfectly it is cut. I do need to kind of learn how to use it a bit more because some are a bit thinner, some are thicker, but I think I did it pretty evenly. But yeah, definitely recommend this. This is a cool product and you should for sure try it out.